Hi, girls. What are you up to? Everyone have the hiccups? Wide awake too, huh? Oh my. Cute. Look at how cute you guys are.